Hey guys, in this video, we will see how to transfer USDT from OKX to Binance. First, open your OKX app on your mobile device. Next, tap on Send to start the process of transferring funds. Then go back and open your Binance app. Tap on Wallet in the bottom right corner of the screen to access your wallet options. Here, tap on Deposit to initiate the deposit process. Now select USDT from the list of available cryptocurrencies. Now, choose the network you want to use for the transfer. Make sure to select the same network on both OKX and Binance to avoid any issues. Copy the deposit address you provided by Binance. This address is where you will send your USDT. Next, go back to the OKX app. Tap on Send and paste the copied Binance deposit address into the recipient field. Then enter the amount of USDT you wish to transfer and confirm the transaction. Now follow any additional prompts to complete the transfer. Once processed, your USDT should appear in your Binance account. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.